All right, guys, with the release of ChatGPT 5, I thought it'd be a little bit interesting to see if we put some of my images of my cars into AI and see if they could either redesign them or do some modifications. One was an epic fail, but the other ones proved to be pretty useful. So let's get at it. All right, so the first experiment that I did was that I took my Cadillac CTS-V that had 1,300 horsepower to the tire, nitrous-fed, methanol injected, custom 80 V1s. It was one of the favorite cars I've ever owned. So I decided to put it up into ChatGPT and see what it spit out if it could create a newer version of my car that was more aggressive and looked like it was produced in today's age. So we uploaded the image to see what ChatGPT would spit out, and the results were, well, disappointing. So what's kind of funny about this image is it brings to light what we all kind of already knew, is that a lot of the cars in today's market all look the exact same. And it basically made a rendition of my car that made it look something like a Fusion mixed with a Jaguar mixed with a TLX. It really just has no character whatsoever. So when you look at some of these cars out driving around today, it really kind of makes you wonder, is AI just completely taking over car design language? Now, of course, I couldn't just let this stop here, so I did put in one more prompt to make it a little bit more race car with a lot more aero, and this second prompt did make a better overall outcome, even if the rear wing is something that you can see from Texas. So the second thing I did with ChatGPT is I wanted to see how it would take existing images and actually apply modifications to your car. Now, this is something we've been doing for forever on forums and other online sites, is seeing what our cars would look like with different wheels, maybe different brakes, more aero. It was all done through Photoshop. And if you didn't have any Photoshop skills, it really came out looking like you did something in clip art. But now with AI, we're able to do this a lot easier. And this is actually where ChatGPT started showing where its strength is and how you can actually use this to see how you need to modify your car or what it might look like with a different set of wheels. So first I put in the Jeep, and I wanted to see what does it look like with method racing wheels on 40-inch tires. And the image that came out of it actually was pretty good. It is still in my driveway and it still does look like my Jeep, except for it does look like it's a couple years newer. It replaced the fenders with the new JL style and the grille, and it kind of messed with the top a little bit, but it gives you an overall look of what the car might actually look like on 40s with method wheels. Now, the last one I did here actually was of more importance to me because we are looking at modifying the Lexus right now. So I want to see what it looks like with different wheels, tires, aero, a lip, some side skirts. So I took an image that I took of the Lexus right there next to a building that's here local to us. And I asked ChatGPT to put in for some TE37s in matte black and some aftermarket aero to the car. Now, what it popped out was exactly what I was looking for. It even went as far as putting the correct stance on the car and having the wheels flush to the body line. All of the aero was very subdued, maybe except for the rear wing, but the front lip, side skirts, and everything were exactly how I was imagining the car would look on black TE37s with a little bit of aftermarket aero. Now, you could tell in some spots where it actually changed the car, specifically the front grille inlets on the side. They're a little bit wider, the lights are a little bit different, but overall, it did a great job of taking aftermarket components and putting them on a stock car. So if you're looking to actually make modifications to your car and want to see what it will look like before you actually go out there and invest in it, or you just get tired of looking through Google Images, trying to find the exact match, using ChatGPT 5 actually works out pretty well to see what it would look like when you modify your car. So guys, I want to hear what you think down in the comment section below. Maybe even share some of the modifications you've done through AI to see what your car would look like. And until then, on to the next one. Thanks guys, see ya.